Look at this right here, y'all. Look at this Certic situation right here, okay? Now, I know I made a video on Certic, but look at this right here, okay? This how we getting it right here. This is how we doing it. So we already know this was the SATA Pro audit. So this was the one that I had talked to y'all about earlier. So all of the findings, we have 5 findings, 3 resolved. So and this was for the farming and the staking. All right, but when we go over here to SATA Pro, look at this. We knocking them out. All right, we had 10 findings overall and 9 resolved. All right, 9 resolved. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. All right, but look, y'all, we're staying on the up and up. Already talked about that. So look, y'all, when we look at the charts right now, we're at the 3-6 range. We were at the 3-5 range. All right, but now we're at the 3-6 range right now. Look at this right here. Look at this. You cannot. How can you not like this? Look. I am like so excited right now. I see. This is what I like seeing. Look at this uptrend right here. Look at that. This is what you want to see right here. You want to see an uptrend. We continue to go up. Look, y'all, like I told y'all, these all-time highs right here are not the norm. So ignore the critics when they talk about we're down 99.5%. All right, because we're not. We're at the norm. We're right where we should be. One of our next goals right here should be okay to reach one of these all-time highs. Look at this. The 4-0 range, the 4-0 to the 4-2, the 4-3 range. This right here was a small all-time high, and look where we're at right here. All right, we're headed in that direction now. It remains to be seen how far we will get up in that. How far we will get up there before the market drops, and where we will start consolidating it. Because y'all know when we have these boosts like this, we get brand new consolidation points within the charts. All right, new stability points within the charts. I need to start wording my stuff correctly, y'all. Y'all know I just be saying anything sometime. But the thing is this, y'all understand what I'm talking about, okay? So we're going to solidify ourselves somewhere at a newer all-time high. Not the old all-time high, which is this all-time high, the large all-time high. We're going to a newer all-time high, and when the market settles down, Saitama will also settle down. Now remember, y'all, also, what's going to also help us settle down at a new solid point in the chart is the holders. Now today, I know that we did not get the 1,000 or so holders that we were looking for, but the thing is this right here. This may also say that the development team is amping up. Okay, they may say that they're amping up again to do a big bulk airdrop. Okay, and last time, day before yesterday, we got it was 6,000. It was 6K and airdrop holders within 24 hours. Okay, so remember before that also we had like a 12K and 24-hour airdrop. So it remains to be seen what the next one will be. After that one though, because that one was way more interesting. After that airdrop, okay, it let me know that the 11K was not going to be the new average, but it lets me know that we're going to have multiple big averages. I mean, we're going to have multiple big number airdrops. It could be 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, whatever it may be, or it may just be another 10 to 11K airdrop. Who knows? But when you see slow holder movement like this right here, okay, it lets you know that it lets you know that the developers are cooking up something, and that we could have another multiple thousand airdrop. Okay, now it could be tomorrow, it could be in 2 days, who knows, whatever it may be. Okay, but this is a good thing right here. The charts is looking strong. Okay, when we look at the charts and we zoom in, it is looking strong. This is what you want to see right here. All right, now we are having some sell-offs. All right, we are having some sell-offs, but the sell-offs are not as big, okay, as the past sell-offs again. And look at this trend right here. You look at the big buys, and then we had like a big sell-off right here. I love this consolidation fight that we had over here, especially after we had the big buys. We had the consolidation point that went all the way over here. We had that shoot up green candle. Okay, and then of course we had individuals take profit, but now we're gaining some stability, we're gaining some leverage. Okay, now we're gaining some leverage on the charts because now those sell-offs are becoming smaller and smaller. Look at these big buy pressures right here that we had, and look at the sell-off, the small sell-off. Look how small the sell-offs are getting. Okay, look how small the sell-offs are getting. This is the trend that you want to see. We're continuing upward. We are continuing upward. So look at this pattern right here. Now that we've seen this pattern, we could be gearing up for another big buy, y'all. And I'm telling you, we may be close to getting into the 204 range. Okay, we may be close to getting into the 204 range. Okay, we have another big buy, something like what we have in like here. We have another big buy trend. Okay, we're going to see the 204. All right, we're going to see the 204 in this market. We are pumping right now. We are pumping. All right, and like I said, y'all, this is not like this is happening because of the market. Y'all have to understand, this right now is happening. This is happening because of how strong and how solid this project is. We've been doing this, but at a lower level while the market was down. Okay, but not at a lower level, but like at a mid-range level. Now we're doing it at a high level. Okay, we've been doing this. All right, this is nothing new. You see the potential, right? You see the potential that we have when the market is strong, and then you see the potential that we have when the market is down. All right, look, I would take our uptrend potential 7 days a week over a lot of projects. Okay, I would. And this right here, like I said, we're seeing this sell-off right here, but we have a trend. All right, and look, individuals do what y'all want to do, but when y'all follow these trends, y'all know when to buy. Y'all know when to buy. Just look at the patterns right here. This pattern right here is looking almost like this right here. All right, so imagine individuals who bought kind of like at this low right here, because these, although we're seeing new all-time highs, we're also seeing we're also seeing some lows. All right, we're also seeing, we're not seeing all-time lows because they're not big lows, but we're also seeing some smaller lows, and individuals are going to try to buy in between these lows here. So usually the trend is, especially something like this, when we get a big sale, usually the trend is everyone is trying to buy at the next low. All right, but this is good right here. The charts are good. You cannot make this stuff up, and like I said, y'all, do not be surprised if we hit that 204 probably at the end of the day. I'm telling you, because we are going into what it seems like a short-term bull market. Who knows how long it will last, but we're going into a short-term bull market, and don't be surprised if we hit that all-time high, which is we hit a new all-time high apart from the 3, which is that 204. All right, so I want to make this video. Remember, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end. You do not want to be a loser. This is my video, and I will catch y'all on the up and up. Howdy.